This isn't just farming, this is precision-engineered life creation. And you're about to witness every incredible stage of this mega operation.
What if I told you that over 90% of the chicken on your plate today began its life not under a mother hen, but inside a climate-controlled fortress of automation? Welcome to the heart of modern poultry production, where science, scale, and precision transform a single egg into millions of broilers in just 42 days. This isn't farming as our grandparents knew it. This is a symphony of robotics, AI-driven climate systems, and conveyor belts moving thousands of eggs per hour. From the moment a fertile egg enters this mega factory, it's tracked, rotated, temperature optimized, and monitored 24/7.
No cracks.
No.
Agreed.
Human hands.
Next tray.
No guesswork.
Keep the pace steady.
Just pure biological engineering. But here's what most people never see. The exact moment life sparks inside that shell. The precise humidity levels that determine survival. The split-second automation that separates winners from non-viable embryos before they even hatch. And what happens next?
Holding steady
Those
at 38.
fluffy chicks enter a
Noted.
broiler
Checking
facility
out.
so vast, it could
Agreed.
fit 10 football fields under one roof, all designed to raise perfect meat birds in record time. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll witness the entire journey from fragile egg to market-ready broiler. You'll see technology so advanced it feels like science fiction, yet it's feeding billions worldwide. And trust me,
Stable on unit
the
one.
hatchery scene at 3:14 will make you
Unit 3 is
pause and
optimal. All
rewatch.
systems go.
Seriously, don't skip ahead. Before we dive deeper, smash
This
that
one
like
looks
button
really
if you're
good.
fascinated
Yeah,
by
see the
industrial
veins?
scale
Perfect
food
development.
production,
Great batch.
and comment
Absolutely.
egg to table below if you want a part 2 showing the processing plant. Let's go behind the scenes. Now, step inside the incubation chamber. These eggs aren't just sitting quietly. For 21 days, they ride on slow-moving carousels through zones with surgically precise conditions. 37.5 degree ground temperature, 60% humidity for the first 18 days, then a critical spike to 70% during lockdown. The final 3 days when chicks internally pip and prepare to hatch. Infrared scanners scan every egg at day 10, detecting live embryos by blood vessel patterns. Non-viable eggs? Instantly ejected by robotic arms. Zero waste, maximum efficiency. At hour 5:04, exactly 21 days, the hatch begins. Not randomly. The system triggers a subtle vibration sequence that mimics a mother hen's natural pecking rhythm, encouraging synchronized hatching across thousands of eggs
Looks
simultaneously.
good. Testing flow.
Within minutes,
height.
fluffy broiler
Flow
chicks
steady.
tumble onto
Adjust for
conveyor
more.
belts
Done.
sorted by weight and vitality using computer vision. The weak, humanely separated. The strong, vaccinated, instantly via automated mist nozzles. No needles, no stress. Then they're trucked 200 meters to the broiler house, a climate-sealed cathedral holding 50,000 birds per section. Here, LED lighting mimics natural sunrise-sunset cycles to optimize feeding behavior. Feed drops from overhead silos every 90 minutes. A protein-rich formula engineered for 60-gram daily weight gain. Water flows 24/7 through nipple systems that
They're getting
prevent
bigger,
spillage and
look how calmly
disease.
they part.
And overhead
Yes, the flock
drones,
seems healthy.
they
I'm
scan the
logging
flock
gate
twice
scores.
daily, using thermal imaging to spot sick birds before symptoms even show. This isn't just farming. It's biological logistics at its most advanced. And the result? A 2.5
Levels are
kilos
steady,
broiler
keep it
ready for
filling.
market in just
Copy that. It's
6
flowing nicely.
weeks.
Good. We'll be set for the next
But
batch.
how does this scale impact
Looks like
quality,
we're settling in
ethics,
nicely.
and our food
Yes.
future?
Peaceful evening.
Stay
All secure
tuned,
for the night.
because the final chapter reveals what happens after day 42.
Look at this growth curve. It's exceeding the target.
Yes, and the feed conversion is at 1.8. Very efficient.
Perfect. Let's note this. Uniform size, calm behavior. Just what we want. Agreed. Health looks excellent. Noting it down. Team, final check. Field's ready.
Weather's holding.
Equipment prepped. We're set.
Supplies good. Let's roll.
Great. Let's move.
So there it is, the complete journey. From a single fertile egg entering this mega factory to a fully grown broiler in just 42 days.
Keep it steady.
All driven by automation,
That's it. Gently
data,
guide them.
and a relentless
Moving
pursuit
well,
of
keep it up.
efficiency that feeds millions while using
Adjusting rates.
40% less water and land than traditional methods.
Thanks confirming.
But here's my question for
See
you.
now this way.
Does this level of industrialization inspire awe
Now, almost
or
there.
concern? Is this the
All
future of
documents look
ethical,
good.
sustainable
Agreed,
food?
ready to
Or
sign?
have we gone too far?
Okay, stamped and
I
complete.
genuinely want to hear your take. Drop your honest opinion in the comments below. Debate respectfully. Let's learn from each other. If this video opened your eyes to the hidden world behind your chicken dinner, do 3 quick things. Like this
Another
video,
one done. How'd it
it
go?
tells YouTube this
Smooth.
content
The data looks
matters.
great.
Yeah, team
Subscribe
effort.
and hit the
See you
bell,
tomorrow.
because next week we're exposing the entire processing plant. From live bird to packaged meat. You won't believe the
tomorrow, man.
automation.
Drive safe,
Share
guys.
this with one friend who eats
Later.
chicken.
All right, let's
They
roll.
deserve to know where their food really comes from. This is more than just a factory tour. It's a window into how humanity feeds itself in the 21st century. Knowledge isn't about judgment, it's about awareness. And now, you're aware. Thanks for watching till the end. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.